Introducing the Force 5850. Intech appreciates your consideration of our Force 5850. With commercial production rates, high build quality, and built-in features to minimize maintenance, we anticipate the Force 5850 provides the highest return on your investment. Thank you for your consideration. Four-speed transmission allows for desired speed of wall fill application. 68 cubic foot hopper with large loading platform. The three agitators condition product to desired coverage and precise material feed. The Force 5850 has a hinge door for easy access to airlock. Remove two bolts to quickly get to airlock seals. Pull handle on hinged door. Grease station by control panel allows user to grease all fittings from outside of the machine. Go Wireless LRT HP industrial wireless controls can be taken into a large building to assist with precise response when using wireless controls option. It can be powered by either a Honda IGX 700 motor or a Kubota Z602 diesel motor. On the inside of the machine, the layout has been designed to make maintenance easy. It has an oversized positive displacement blower with dual splash lube for long life, quiet operation, and little maintenance. Electronically controlled slide gate is easily controlled by button on control panel. Automatic belt tensioners help with maintenance. Airflow adjustment to assist with application control. Fresh air inlet kit comes standard with system to minimize maintenance. Thank you for considering the Force 5850 with its high production and low maintenance. We appreciate your consideration of Intech for all your product needs.